Hello mga kapiso wifi natin dyan. So tutorial for this evening, short P2P from sender to receiver, receiver to modem, then modem to piso wifi. So try natin. So, gamit ang UPS. Pag mag yellow yan, ibig sabihin meron na yung connection galing sa receiver. So red pa rin. Pag mag yellow yan, meron na yung connection.